Hey everyone, this is Kyle. After talking with Benjamin and then some of the other team members, um, we thought it was best to go ahead and create a video talking about shooting video for video projects and stuff like that, because it's important stuff to know that will save you and the rest of the team time whenever you're making a project or working on some sort of deliverable where a video file is involved. First thing is you're going to want to have good lighting for whatever shot that you are shooting. So I have some examples here to show you. So this first example was a take for a video that Benjamin, Daniel, and I put together for pitching to speak at Denver Startup Week. And in this shot, you can see Benjamin's fairly well lit. So his face has even lighting on both sides. And the background on the left side is a little bit overexposed here, but that's fine because the major light source in the shot isn't back behind him. His face is still well enough lit, and there are no dark shadows on his face, so we can still see him really well. Now, if the sun was somewhere back here in the frame, then Benjamin, even if, in real life there's no shadow on his face, the camera will not be able to detect his face as well because it will adjust its exposure to mitigate the light coming in from the sun if the sun was in the background. So this shot looks fairly good, and even if some parts of the background or other parts of the frame are overexposed, he still looks fine because of the composition of where the light is coming from. In our next example, I don't know what that was. In our next example, we have me indoors. You can see it's a sunny day outside, so we have the blinds closed, which is totally fine. And again, I'm pretty well lit here. There are some shadows that you can see over back here, and my face isn't exactly lit on either side, but I have lights off screen to the right here, which are shining onto me so that we don't have that big contrast, because if I didn't have those lights there, then the camera would mainly focus on this light, and then you wouldn't be able to see me as well, and it would be lower quality. So let's go on to our final example here. We have Anna in the frame for the Denver Startup Week pitch video, and this is a good outdoor shot as well. You can see her face is pretty evenly lit, and the background in nature looks fine. The sun's not in the frame or anything like that. So if you're shooting outside, natural light is great. So go ahead and keep doing what you're doing. Just be aware of where the sun is and be aware of how bright it is. So you can see it's more of an overcast day out here, and so it gives more of a soft light onto Anna's face here, and that's really good. It looks really good. So just remember to be aware of where the light's coming from, and you should be good.